Let's dive into the referencing essentials that every health sciences student absolutely needs to know. Look at this clinical claim. Notice anything missing? Yep, a huge piece of the puzzle is gone.
Exactly. There's no citation. Claiming facts without giving credit, that's literally plagiarism.
So why does this matter? Referencing traces your info and proves your work is backed by real evidence. Plus, giving proper credit builds trust. It perfectly reflects your professional integrity in the medical field.
Let's break it down. In-text citations live inside your writing, while the full list sits at the very end. So, which citation style do your clinical papers actually need to succeed? Let's find out.
First up, Vancouver style. The most important thing to remember here, Vancouver is all about numbers.
Your very first citation gets a number 1, tucked neatly into the text as a tiny superscript. Cite that same exact paper later on, just reuse that number 1. Easy, right? This numbered approach keeps your text super clean. It's absolutely perfect for fast, distraction-free clinical reading.
Then at the end, your reference list is built sequentially, in the exact order those sources appeared.
This is how you cite a journal article in Vancouver AMA format.
Journal names get abbreviated and italicized. And since most are online, always include the DOI or URL. Need more help with Vancouver? Your library portal has a great tutorial guide you can check anytime. Okay, let's switch gears to APA 7th edition. It's huge in nursing, psychology, and social sciences. APA completely drops the numbers. Instead, you'll put the author and year right inside your text. The massive advantage here, it instantly tells your reader exactly who wrote the paper and when. For APA, your final reference list is alphabetical.
This is how you cite a journal article in APA 7th edition format.
Notice that ampersand and those italicized journal names. Author published twice in 1 year? No problem. Just add lowercase letters like A and B.
To recap, Vancouver uses chronological numbers. APA uses author and year, sorted alphabetically at the end.
Before you start writing, always double-check which style your specific faculty or journal actually requires. And please avoid common slip-ups like missing citations,
Incorrect formatting.
or reference lists that just don't match. Good news? You don't have to memorize this.
Let tools like RefWorks,
Zotero or Mendeley do the heavy lifting. I hope this explainer helps you reference with confidence. So, which tool are you using for your next paper?